Hey, what is up guys? This is Tomotsu here. I hope you guys are doing well. It's been a while. Today, I wanted to share something that I saw on social media. Not to say that I'm on social media much, but I saw a pretty cool post by Psych.opinion. Boom. So, I want to share that with you. Alright, so on this post that I saw, it has 6 points to it, and I'm going to share that with you right now. The first one is limit your options. I'm not sure if you've ever heard of studies where if there's too many options, even if you make a decision and go with one, you're going to look back and not be too happy about the decision you made in the future, right? So you always want to limit your options and know that you're limiting it so that when you make that decision, you're not thinking, oh, if I would have done that, would it have been better? Things like that. So limit your options. The next one is draw a hard line between good and bad choices. All right, this one, as you can imagine, could be easy or difficult depending on what type of decision you're making. But of course, you want to make that draw that hard line between good and bad. And also, sometimes there is no good and bad, right? Sometimes things are gray. So similar to that of limiting your options, make that cut so your options get smaller and smaller. All right. The next one is listen to the gut feeling. Gut feeling. This one is quite a difficult one. It has been a difficult one for me, but looking back at my past, it hasn't been a bad thing. Listening to my gut has been a good thing, but a very difficult thing. And with meditation, I think the listening to the gut will become easier. So if you're not meditating now, make sure you get started. I recommend the app called calm.com. Check it out. I'm meditating every day from about 10 minutes to an hour. So you should get on that, and it really makes a big difference in your life. All right, the next one. Think of your time as money. All right, that's quite an interesting one, but an obvious one. So again, think of your time as money. The next one, know that decisiveness grows with each decision. Okay, so the more decisions you make, the more decisive you get. I've also noticed that in my life too, where the faster that I make decisions, the more decisive I am, the more confident I become, because I'm not mulling over decisions and not being able to decide, and things taking much longer than it should. So get on that decision train. All right, and then the next one, as I mentioned, remember that indecision kills. All right, so that is true. That's something that I've been going through, being indecisive. Because you want to make that best decision, things become more difficult. It just gets worse and worse. So keep that in mind. Be decisive. Yes, be decisive. All right, so that was something that I wanted to share with you guys. Again, this was a post by Psych.opinion. How to decide faster. Bam. All right, so go ahead and subscribe. As usual, sending you good vibes. Have a great day and be decisive. See ya.